Everyone, this is Brandon with Recast Software, and today I just wanted to quickly show you a few different ways to save time using endpoint insights and right-click tools. The first thing I'd like to show you is computer replacement costs. This is an incredibly helpful endpoint insights report when it comes to computer refresh, where you're not exactly sure what needs to be replaced based on warranty, how much it's going to cost, and what's actually out there. So for this demo, I'm going to use my EI computers collection. Click View Report, and we can quickly see laptops, desktops, servers, VMs, devices that have expired, devices about to expire, and total costs of replacement. So, and it's also broken down in the same way. Any of the blue text you can drill into. So if we wanted to quickly look at the details of what's expired, we can easily see that here. Super helpful. Next thing I'd like to show you is system information on a collection. So if you right-click tools, console tools on collection, system information. There's a lot of really cool stuff you can do here, but I'll just quickly show you applications. It'll list off every application installed on all the devices by application name, publisher, architecture, version, uninstall string, and you can copy and paste this out if you're building out an uninstall, as well as the number of devices each application is installed on. And this is also something that you can search through. So if you know for sure there's something that's not supposed to be on any of the devices, like for my example, I'll just use 7-zip. I can see the devices installed on, check, uninstall, and it'll kick off the uninstall for every single one of those devices. So really awesome for cleaning up applications that aren't supposed to be anywhere. Next thing I'd like to show you is the hardware and firmware audit and how to use it to quickly see BIOS versions that are way out of date. So we can take a look at the chassis, manufacturer, model, and then BIOS version. And if these are all out of date, I can quickly export this to CSV and give it to the help desk to take care of them manually. So super helpful. Awesome. The next thing we're going to look at is computers without an application. So this is another one of the endpoint insights reports. It makes it really easy in situations where, say, you have a VPN client that needs to be on every device in a collection and you want it to be on the most recent version available. So we're going to use the Recast agent. The sales office, view report. And I can quickly see all the devices that it's installed on or not installed on, and what versions are installed on each device. So we can also sort by the different columns, which makes it super easy to remediate. The next thing I'd like to show you is trends within the Recast Management Server. This is a really great way to track compliance over time. It gives you scheduled snapshots. You can pick a specific date, which will let you drill down and quickly see compliant and non-compliant machines. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out to us directly at recastsoftware.com. Take care.